What is finite and what is infinite? When we say finite, we are talking about an entire number system. Mathematics means from 1 to nobody knows what's the last number. Because we don't know the last number, we said infinite. Finite means we can count. What we cannot count, we will create calculators. What a calculator cannot count, we'll create a computer. What a computer cannot count, we will create a supercomputer. But the number system does not end there, just goes on. Even if you make a supreme computer, still you cannot really count, it just goes on. So we came up saying, there is something called as infinite. Essentially we are saying, something that's out of our grasp. We are not talking about infinite as some kind of an ultimate number. We are talking about that which is out of our grasp. We are calling that infinite. Infinite is not some kind of a huge number. It's not a number, really. It is out of the number system. Even zero is out of the number system, but we have adopted. We adopted zero because we couldn't go beyond our number of fingers, so we adopted. You know how the Romans counted? What a miserable mathematics they had? You don't know? You know the Roman number system? By the time you get to 200, you would have gone crazy. So, the Indians came up with the system, you adapt. Because if you go with numbers, you will get lost. You adopt something which does not belong to the number system to complement the number system, that is a zero. Now, these are not mathematics fans, these are Indians. Nationalism is on the growth. So, the infinite. We were wondering what to do with the infinite. Then the Indian yogis found a way. They just kept their own hand like this. When their experience of life became boundless, they checked and they found their own energies were going like this. So whenever they became boundless, their energy system took this pattern, so they gave this as the symbol for that which is numberless or beyond number system. So today, you're using that as the sign of infinity or infinite nature. This was also referred to as the Ouroboros, that is, a snake twisting itself where it is eating its own tail, so it becomes the symbol of infinite. Why this is significant is because this is manifest. This is manifest in our own experience, in our energy, that when we become boundless in our experience, our energies start moving like this. Otherwise, they're moving like this, a spiral. A spiral in the yogic system or in this culture is referred to as samsara. A spiral means it's a never-ending process, just goes on and on and on and on. And it is circular in nature. That means in some way it is controlled. within that control sphere, it goes on endlessly. And that's how people expect you to be. They want you, they don't mind you running around a bit, as long as you're somewhere close by and running around. You want to go like this in search of truth. Your samsara will not allow you.